about you.
I was in fifth form. The Basta High School had asked me to participate in the Basta High School show, which I won. And I had no choice but to enter the junior monarch. Conris, Gregomenton, Maynard, from of course St. Kitts, Karine Ashe from Trinidad, Kurt Allen from Trinidad. Just because I have a thing with K's, the COVID did not impact my preparation at all for Calypso. It actually gave me more time to think about the topic, what I wanted to sing. I had 2 songs before this, and I had to find a way to combine both of them together to make a song.
I'm waiting on a revolution, so I might as well start it. Oh, land of beauty is broken, her colors are all at war, her fertile soil is bloody. Oh, Father, please help me. Politicians are fighting, can we please work hand in hand? Say it's a knee is shaking, can we please save our land? Politics bring hate, it's bitter. We curse one another as our nation does. But as we reflect on the motto, it makes me wonder if our country comes first. We need to change the conversation and normalize the truth. We need to change the conversation, and it starts with me and you. No hanky-panky, don't cover it up, don't sugarcoat the matter. Cause if we don't address what is happening, the whole nation will suffer. This generational curse, change it before we see the world. Change it. Let's make a plan and change the conversation.